Okay, hey, we're back. I actually don't remember anything because it's been forever. Okay, sure, sounds good enough. Okay. Is everything alright? Guess everything's good. Okay. So, where are we in that project? We have some enemies all over the place. We can move some units around. And we can start a battle if I can reach them. I really need to make them faster. Okay, so here we go. So then in battle we can place our units where we want. So let's say I want to then start a combat. The enemies are skipping their turn. Then I can move, whatever. So yeah, right now I don't have a limit of movement points and I can pretty much go through anything, but it's a start. So yeah, I can skip my turn and then the enemies are playing and then I'm playing again. Yeah, I'm jumping up and down. Whee, woohoo! Boop. And my turn, the enemies are playing, my turn again, enemies are playing, blah blah blah. It's all good. Okay. So this is where we are. My spells don't do anything for now. Oh, that's actually interesting. Yeah, that's a little bit weird, but whatever, it doesn't matter. So yeah, that's where we are. So today is just gonna be continue that, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so first, while the unit is moving, I don't want to be able to drop that again. Because the unit's already moving, so I don't want to like be able to do that. That's just like not an option. So, how do we do that? I don't know if it's the player that is. Sort of combat, blah 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 blah. Okay, so it's probably in the player then. In the pawn. So here is where I'm moving it. So I don't want to be able to draw a path. I don't want to generate a new path if so grid over tile. So if the overt unit is valid, we don't care about it. Maybe we could here, if the unit is moving, we're gonna so we're gonna just check the unit state. Let's say idle in combat. Yeah. Or not moving. I don't know. We'll see. Actually, technically, while the unit is moving, I can technically just set its position to the last, like this position in the path. Yeah. For now, we're just gonna be able to draw a path if the unit is not moving. Then we'll see. So that should fix a problem. The other problem is, I think, if I start moving my unit. Okay, first of all, the unit doesn't have the right state, so that's bad. So we're just gonna go set the state. Start a plasma placement, whatever the validate. Next unit, we wanna set all the units to the right state. So we're just gonna, before doing that, we're gonna set the state to the good state. So this is getting the current unit, doesn't matter. Set a current unit, doesn't matter. So that's good, okay. Set state. This is gonna be idle in combat. And when we finish the combat, want to make sure that all the units are back to idle in world. Here we go. Okay, so that should make it better. So, my turn. I cannot drag a new path. So that's alright. That's good, that's good. Good. If I click, it works also, so that's good. Okay, good. So I cannot interrupt anymore. So that's perfect. Now, yeah, I'm still interrupting if I do that, because I have to clear the path as soon as I give the command to my unit to move. Otherwise, I can always cancel it. We are whoop, 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 doop, doop, doop. Okay, so we're just gonna do that. So when I click left mouse button, selected unit, the path is linked higher than that. We set movement combat, and right after that, we remove the flags on the tiles and then clear them. So that should be all good. Okay. So yeah, it's canceling my path, so that's great. I cannot cancel the movement again. Good. Okay. Now, I guess it's time to limit the movement possibility and yeah, we can start by that. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so that means that the units have to have all the stats that they need. When combat started, could probably do something like that. That's interesting though. Okay, so instead of setting this in the combat manager, I'm gonna set it there. It would make more sense. So I'm just gonna cancel what I did here and there. There we go. In the unit then, stop the movement and hidden. That's good. Then I want here to make it idle in combat. When the combat is over, it's gonna be idle in world until it says it's asked to move. Okay, so that should be better. Just gonna double check that it works. It should work. Unless my code is not called, but it should be. Okay, seems alright. Seems alright. Okay, if I stop the combat, can I? Thank you. Select the unit, move it, perfect. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so now, when the combat starts and when the turn starts, we're gonna do some stats stuff. So, okay, we're gonna need a bunch of variable. Are we gonna put them into a structure, or we don't give a shit about the structure, cause fuck the structures? Maybe we can just put them right there, I guess. So it will be, there's a bunch of stuff actually. There's the current amount of stuff, the max amount of stuff. Yeah. The structure will be easier to save also. Yeah. I guess that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put that into a structure so it's easier to save. S. Unit combat stats. Okay, that's good. Then what kind of stats do we want? For now, let's say current HP. Current HP, actually, HP, current HP max, MP, current, MP max. MP will be the movement points. All of them will be integers. Do I need more stuff? Can put the action point, but I don't care. Okay, that will be the start. Okay. Okay. So, combat stats. I'm just gonna set some default, current 50 HP, 50 HP max, 3 movement points, action point, like 6, whatever. Doesn't actually matter. Okay. So at the beginning of combat, what we're gonna do, set members and these, just to make sure that we have all our stats. I'm gonna set the current equal to the max. There we go. Just so make sure that all my units are like full HP, full everything for now. It's probably temporary, but whatever. Okay. Then when a combat ends, we don't care about all these stats. Okay. But we need to have a on turn start though. On combat turn started, and we probably want to have a combat turn ended too. On combat turn ended, because at the end of the turn we wanna put it back to max, not the HP though. Something like that. Okay, that's good. When the turn starts, we don't care. So in the combat manager, we're just gonna next unit, update current unit. We're just gonna here, I guess right there. Current turn started. Okay. And before that, we're gonna end the previous unit's turn. So if that one is valid, and here we go. Okay, so that's good. Now, next step will be, so dark. Okay. So now it will be good to limit the amount of movement. So for that, we're gonna have to change some stuff. In the find path function, max length. So it's gonna be the max length of the path. Oh damn, that function is so long. Good. Okay. First of all, at the beginning, we're gonna add another condition here. So if the distance, like the closest distance between the start and the end is greater than the max, we're totally, oh actually, if it's smaller or equal than the max, we're gonna continue, otherwise we're gonna skip. So if the minimal distance, if it's too big, well, don't try to generate a path because it won't work. So that's good. Okay. That's all right. So what we're gonna do here is get the stats. Can split it. Actually, no, I'm gonna break it instead of splitting it. And the current movement point. Boom. Here we go. So this should limit the path. I don't care about all the ones. Good. So only that should make it work. We can go see. So now my units are supposed to be able to only move maximum 3 tiles. And it doesn't work, so that's interesting. Okay, so this is not working for some reason. We're gonna check that here. Actually, I want to know both, so okay, try again. Okay, why is it 0? That's interesting. Max is 0. By default, I'm gonna just make it like 999, so it doesn't matter. Okay. It's only called at one place, so here. So the combat stats are not good somehow. Why? Is it because the unit isn't the level, maybe? I don't know. Did I connect the HP? No. Movement point current. Zero. Everything has a max of 0, even though the default structure has stuff in it. That's odd. Huh. That's odd. Okay, so why? So, for some reason, my units are all empty. Is it because it's something in the child? Huh, that's so stupid. Why is it different? Okay, so my stats in my child were different. That's completely stupid. Yeah, that's why I don't like the structures that much. Oh, anyway, now it should all work. Okay. So unit can move by maximum 3 tiles. Okay. That's all right. That's good. Okay. I don't actually like to have that tile following my finger anymore, but whatever. Okay, that's good. That's good. Good. So now that's moving. That's working. Okay, great. But that won't really work completely. I think I have to open another project to check out. There's probably a way. Yeah, I'm gonna go open that other project and see how I did it before, because I don't want to think about it, because there's way more stuff to do. So yeah, but then when I'm moving my unit in the world and not in the world in combat, at the same time, when I have it open, maybe I can let's go get a screenshot for someone. Okay. Okay, so do I want to do that? Okay, I'm just gonna finish this first. So reduce the amount of movement points. I can do that. I should be able to do that. So reduce movement point. Actually, it's more like, do I want to set the movement point? Set them. I want to set, and I want an add or remove. How did I name that before? Oh well, I'm getting old. I don't remember anything. Modify. Sure, sounds good. Okay. MP modify. MP set. So I'm just gonna set members. Movement points. Where is it? MP current. Current MP modify, current MP set. That's good. Current MP modify. I'm gonna call set after that. My music just stopped. Okay. And we're gonna just add stats. We're gonna bring this, get the current MP current, boom, 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 boom. Okay, that's good. Okay. So. So when I'm gonna set that, I'm gonna modify the MP and do -1. Hello, hello. So now I should have 3 movement points that are not refunded. Yeah, I have 2, I have 1, and if I enter and I go back, now I should have all my 3. Yes. Good, seems all right. Okay, so now I'm consuming movement points. Just to be sure, I'm gonna add more movement points by default. So max movement point, it's at 10. So now I should be able to test the whole thing. So now let's say I use 5-ish and I go back. I just have 5-ish, that's good. Yeah, okay. I should also do the thing where I can't go through other units. That will be interesting. And all the obstacle stuff, I could do it. Oh damn, okay. Okay, first of all, we can't go on a tile that has another unit, so that's done. That is good. Actually, that could be even here. Whatever. Yeah, actually, it could be there. Anyway, it's all right for now. These conditions can be before or after, it doesn't actually matter. Okay. This is all right. Get the valid neighbors. So, in the valid neighbors, what is a valid neighbor? First of all, the location has to be good, which is all right. And then no unit on it. And if the tile is too expensive, it doesn't count as a valid neighbor, I'd say. Okay, so if the tile types is good, actually, what is that here? Not equal to target. Is the index valid? We already know that they are valid, so that's good. The distance, that will be another distance. This will be the real distance, but this thing here, okay, that will be good. So if the unit on this tile is not valid, which is good, otherwise the tile is already taken, so we don't want to go there. Okay. Okay, so the tile cost and everything. This is all right, I guess. Can probably just move this. Or we can set it here maybe. Whatever, doesn't matter. Tile cost. Okay. If the current path for the tile cost is not too big. That would be interesting though. Or maybe, yeah, maybe we don't care about that right here. We're gonna do it somewhere else. So we can do that. If it's valid, blah blah blah. Do the thingy there. Okay. So neighbors contain current neighbor cost from start. If the neighbor cost from start if this is smaller or equal than the maximum, we're gonna continue with it. Otherwise, we're gonna ignore that one because it's not gonna be valid anyway. Okay. So that should be interesting. Okay. That should support all the features I need for the pathfinding with the movement points, I think. Okay. That's good. Now I'm going around people. That's all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, which is all right. Okay, good. Okay, so now I can go there. I can't go all the way up there. That's all right. Good. Okay, that's good. Okay, so here, oh, that's weird. Okay, so when I'm moving the units, they're not really moving. Okay, they are not on the tile, so that's a bug that I have to go fix. A real quick one. So when we're setting the unit on the tile, set grid index. This doesn't seem to work actually. That's interesting. Oh, that doesn't make sense. Oh, okay. This go away after. Actually, yeah, go for that. We're just gonna do something like this. Okay. Don't really like doing that, but whatever. It's just to make it clearer, I guess. Okay. That's good. Okay. So that should work now. Okay, I'm going around. I'm going around. I'm going around. And around. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 10. That's good. Okay, perfect. Great. Okay. That's all right. And does it work? Also work with the enemy units? Oh, that's interesting. It's like I was able to go there though. Ooh, that's odd. What happened? Okay, so I have a big path that goes all the way over there. It keeps the same path, I guess. Okay, it doesn't cancel the path if I select a tile under a unit. That's weird. Okay, let's go see why. Why? What if the target is... That's weird. Yeah, that because of that, I think. So if I just do this, yeah, that's not good. I can just change the function a little bit. Yeah, exactly. Now that's better. Okay. So I gotta change a little bit of that function. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm just gonna move that a little bit to the back. This is gonna be a ton of stuff here. So if there's no unit on the tile, and if the tile type is good, here we go. So that is a ton of conditions, but it all makes sense actually. Okay. So this should make it easier. Everything should work now. Do I have more things here? Just making sure that in my previous version I didn't have something pretty nice that I forgot. Generate that to target. So factors to ignore. Why would we want to ignore something? I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. So doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. I think everything makes sense now. Maybe we could make it so we know which tiles are reachable by the unit. Could be interesting. So instead of a path, yeah, the reachable tiles. Okay, so we can return all reachable. I have an reachable tiles. Reachables. Okay. So instead of returning the path, we could return all the reachable tiles. All this doesn't actually matter. So we can just make an OR here just to ignore all that stuff. if we only want to have the reachables. So for that we can just like move this here. Okay. I don't think we need that. Path or reachables. In that case, it is the path for sure. Okay. So here we're gonna select the array we want to return, which is either the analyzed tiles or nothing, because we failed to return a path. Okay. And then it doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. Okay. Return a path at the end. When we get the reachables, it should not find. We'll see how it goes if it's not a valid one. Where's the target? The start should be valid at all time. That doesn't matter. The target, we don't care about it. Equal or not the same? So maybe these are important at all time. Maybe. Let's see. So if I end these and oopsie, gonna add that one here. I'm gonna remove these, make them true. So if the start is valid and the start is not equal to the target, we can go. And it's gonna go until it doesn't find target. If the target is not valid, we don't actually care much. Maybe. Okay, let's see how it is. Okay. So how are we gonna do that? Yeah, while in combat, if we move our mouse over our own unit, like this, or actually, if we move our mouse over any unit while in combat, we're probably gonna show the reachable tiles of that specific unit. So we can do that. So in a pawn, I don't care about all that stuff. Okay. In a pawn over unit, If it's valid, we go under there. Set the overall tiles to false. Perfect. Different or not doesn't actually matter. But what do we want is a little sequence here. Actually, I'm gonna put it at the beginning. So here's the overt unit is valid. Boom. Okay, great. Now what we're gonna do is find the path to the target. Something like that. Instead of the selected unit, we're gonna get the overt unit. The target, I'm gonna try something by -1 and -1, which is an invalid index. And then we want to know where that unit can reach. Return the overtiles. That's good. And then what do we want is to add these somehow. Something like that, and reach up. Just want to see if it works. It's either gonna work or it's gonna go infinite loop, and it's gonna be super painful. So, oh, that seems all right. Wow. Huh. That's actually interesting. Seems to work. Damn, surprised. Okay. So now should make it that it stops. And I don't have any error, so that's good. So it's either the path or reachable, I guess. I'm never gonna show both at the same time, I think. Yeah, I'm never gonna show both at the same time, so that's alright. So I can remove this. So that's good. Add into the reachables, that's great. And then what we want to is if the overt unit is not valid anymore, we want to cancel these. Or actually, setting the overt tile. Yeah, this is making a big ass mess, huh? Yeah, I couldn't make it way better than that. That is just dumb the way I did it. Okay. So, set overt tile. It's not a parent function? That's interesting. Oh yeah, no, because it's not in the grid. Okay. But the overt unit, though, it is. We can probably do something like that. Set overt unit. Can probably do something like this, actually. So before doing the parent code, we're gonna do some stuff. So if the unit is not equal to the current unit, and if it's not equal to the current unit, that's good. If it's the same, we don't touch anything, so that's all right. This function, I don't know if it's gonna be called. Anyway, it doesn't matter. And then if the overt unit is valid, what we want to do is clear the path. So we're gonna do the same here as here. No, as here. Something like that. Boom. Something like that. Good. If the overt unit is not valid, we don't care. And then what do we want? We want to can do the parent code here and then find the path if it's valid. Here we're gonna find the path and then blah blah blah, display the tiles, reachables. Okay, something like that maybe. Okay, let's see how it goes. Oh, I might have something. I'm just gonna go back here. Everything seems all right. I just have to reconnect this here. That's okay. Okay, good. Okay, start. Hey, go get them. It's so slow. Okay, so this one can reach this. That's all right. That's a little bit weird. I'm not overing anything. Okay, whatever. All these make sense. I don't know why this tile here is a little bit off. Oh, that's a bit weird too. I think this one has weird collisions. Yeah, it's something I subbed for. That yellow unit here is weird. So I think I'm just gonna delete that and maybe add a new one. Welcome into the team, and new yellow. Hope you're ready for the fight. You can't really fight right now, so it doesn't matter, but sure, whatever. Yeah, that's better. Okay. That was a weird one. Oh. Some tiles are weird here. Huh. I don't know why though. So I have my path here. I over something, I know where I can go. Okay, I can reach there, which is pretty accurate. Okay, that makes sense. When I stop overing though, that should disappear. But they are not, so that's pretty weird. So, if the hovered unit is not equal to the current hovered unit. Okay, that makes sense. Maybe it doesn't actually. That should not be a problem. Or maybe I can just like put it here. And maybe like sequence here instead. And do it with the new unit. So what I'm gonna do is just like unit new. That's good. That one's here. There. Something like this maybe. With the new unit here, right? Okay. Remove the reachables, add the reachables here, so I guess it should be fine. That's weird. It is when I go from one unit to the other. Doesn't seem to be. Okay, it's when it goes fast. No? There's something with the player unit that does something. I think. Okay. What if I get different arrays? Let's see. Something like that, maybe. Okay, so there was some conflicting things between the draw path and the hidden path. Huh. Okay. I mean the reachable path. That makes sense. That makes sense. because it was using the same array. So that's why. Okay. Okay. That's good. Is there a way to use the same array again? Set over tile. Yeah, I guess we can just make it that. It's gonna be reachable. Should be good enough. Okay. So that seems to work for now. That's good. Oh yeah. I'm happy about that. And yeah, if I go down here, this one I can't move, but now I can, and I can go up there because, yeah, that's pretty good actually. So if I go here, then my green one, oh yeah, that's good. No, cannot reach that far. Oh, that's great. Okay, good. Yeah, I have my movement point consumption and stuff. That's great. But yeah, I guess that's gonna be pretty much it for today, I guess. That's nice. Was way simpler than I expected. Okay, that's just odd though. What am I highlighting here? Okay, I have to check that. It's so weird. How can I here? It says that the override unit is valid. What the heck? Is there any collision or anything? It's just weird. Where are the collisions? Here. Huh. That's interesting. The collisions of the units that are still in the world are still there. That's nice. That is quite nice. Okay. So that's why. But the collisions are supposed to be disabled now. Oh, that's why I had some issues. Ah. Hmm. Collision preset. They are still enabled. That's why. That is why. Okay, in the unit. What if I keep the invisible and then I'm gonna set collision enabled. So I'm gonna disable the collision for that actor. I'm gonna re-enable it here. But I want to know if all my bounds are going to go through the grid, which would make sense a little bit if they fall. Oh no, seems alright. Okay, and then they are not interfering with anything, except that tile is not, oh, it's not reachable. Oh, it's not reachable, never mind. Okay, good. Then I go out of combat, everything goes back to normal. Good. Okay, that was easy. Oh yeah, I have to clean that thing here. Just gonna remove this pin, remove this pin here. Yeah, it's gonna be a pain to explain all that stuff. Oh damn, that is a big one. That monster here, oh damn. Okay, okay, that's great. Good. Okay. Okay, I think I'm happy right here for now. Next step will be to make it to the spells, I guess. Make it visually visible. Yeah. Not sure, not sure. But it's almost there. We're almost back where we were before. Yeah, I just need to do the spells and everything. And just making sure. I just want to see if the grid still works as like another grill set. I think it's gonna work, but grill shape, I mean. Pretty sure it's gonna work, but I don't know. Okay, that seems alright. I have to go hide these things. Boom. Combat started, combat ended. I'm just gonna enable collision back again. That's good. The reachables don't seem to work. Or there's something weird here, maybe. Is there? Yeah, there's something weird here. I should be able to reach that tile. But I can't. Oh, I can. That's odd. It's because of the relative distance. Huh. Yep, because the distance is not working great. Huh. That condition here doesn't actually work on an hexagon shape grid. What if I just remove it? How bad is it gonna be? Shouldn't be too bad actually, since I'm able to calculate all that. Yeah. No, it doesn't slow me that much. Like a little bit, but right now it's just because I have like multiple Unreal open and stuff. And I'm streaming, like, yeah. Something like that, yeah. Yeah. So that seems alright, I guess. Oh no, that's bad. Yeah, so we need a way to calculate that. It's weird though. Why is it that slow there? Hmm. Yeah, so I guess this is... I have to find a way to get the distance. Actually, this works for a grid square. For an hexagon or... So what's the difference? If it's an hexagon, it's not the same length and the same height, I think, because it's skipping a little bit. Let's see. What if I just divide by 2 here? Because the distance in y is twice as... I'm just gonna divide it by 2. See how it is. It's not really by 2, I mean. But I have to go. Okay, it's only connected back, so that's alright. Come on, stop moving. Okay, so I'm supposed to reach there and all the way there. No, it doesn't actually work. Or actually it does work, but it's so stupid. Oh, the path is acting stupid. That's why. Yeah. Yeah, this function here is gonna have to be adapted too. Okay, I'm gonna have to adapt this function. That's good. Actually, I should note all that somewhere. Can I have something somewhere here that I could take notes on? Because there's an asset type that you can take note on. I guess a widget. Sure. Notes. Text box. Or text block. Text box multiline. Yeah, probably better. Good. That's all right. Okay. To do the distance to for hexagon and triangle grid. Then I add a couple ideas. Rotate camera. Target true walls. Target true walls. C unit. That doesn't matter. Create obstacle in game. Traps. Push units. Push damage on walls. Units. I think that's it. I guess for now, I guess that's it. Okay. Okay, so I guess that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna submit all that. Then I'm gonna go take a break. It's been a rough week, a long week. Not rough, but tired. Tired, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And yeah, I think this project's gonna be ready, I don't know, soonish. Still a few weeks to go though. Still have like a bunch of work to do. But it's a start. Yeah. It's getting there slowly. Yeah, anyway. Thanks for watching and bye bye. Ciao ciao.